The WorkBless Electric Pressure Washer boasts an impressive maximum pressure of 4,800 psi, making it exceptionally effective for tackling tough cleaning tasks. With a powerful 2,200-watt motor, this pressure washer is built to handle a variety of cleaning applications, from washing cars to cleaning driveways. It comes equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, allowing users to easily switch between different cleaning modes for precise and efficient results. The inclusion of a 500 milliliter foam cannon ensures thorough cleaning by producing ample foam to remove dirt and grime effectively. Designed with user convenience in mind, the device features a long 23-foot high-pressure hose and power cord, along with large wheels and a sturdy handle for easy maneuverability. The total stop system and safety lock enhance the washer's operational safety and extend the lifespan of the motor by automatically shutting off the pump when idle.